everyone, and welcome back to Knit Cat Paddywhack. If you're new here, welcome. I share knitting tutorials for new and busy knitters. If this interests you, please consider subscribing so you don't miss my next tutorial. I wanted to get in front of the camera for a change for 3 reasons, so no knitting tutorial today. The first reason I wanted to have a chat with you was to thank everybody who has subscribed so far. Thank you for supporting my channel. The second reason is to give you a little bit of an update on my life, because that will affect what you see on this YouTube channel and what you read on my blog. And the third reason is related to my life update, but I just wanted to update you on what I'm planning to do for this channel in the near future. So first of all, I wanted to give a really heartfelt thank you to all of you who have subscribed to this channel so far. I haven't been able to post as often as I had been planning to. I am, as you may know, a mum to a 2-year-old, and I also work part-time. So finding the time to actually sit down and make videos has been a challenge. And somehow I managed to get to over 100 subscribers. And I know that in YouTube land 100 subscribers is nothing, but to me it means a whole lot. To be able to reach 100 subscribers is amazing to me because of how special knitting is to me. So I started knitting in 2010 when I was 20. And knitting has been like a quiet companion for me. It's seen me through my university degrees, seen me through professional life, getting married, having a baby, all of that stuff, and moving interstate as well. So it's been with me for a long time through all of these big changes in my life. And it has meant a huge amount to me as well. So it has given me an escape, helped me reduce my stress, also helped me make sentimental items that hopefully will be dear to me and dear to other people for the rest of our lives. Knitting has brought me so much joy, and to be able to share it with even just 100 people is a huge blessing to me. So I just wanted to say thank you to all of you from the bottom of my heart for subscribing and joining me in this new channel, and I really genuinely hope that you gain something valuable from watching. So you see, even though knitting has been a really important part of my life for nearly 9 years now, it's mostly been a solo pursuit for me, apart from sometimes knitting with friends and of course knitting for other people. I've mostly done it on my own, and to an extent I do like it to be a solo pursuit for me personally. But if I can reach people about the benefits and simple pleasures of this craft, then all the better. And I think that YouTube is a great way to do that. And I really do believe that knitting is good for you. So if you read my blog, you'll know that I trained as a psychologist and I worked as one before I had my daughter. And I'm currently working in a very closely related field. And I know that mental illness is a really common issue for so many people. And the mental health profession has become very aware of the importance of us connecting back to our experiences and back to our world, and the benefits of that to our mental health. It's so easy to get disconnected from what we're doing and from the present moment. And that's why things like mindfulness and acceptance and commitment therapy have been so emphasized lately, because they bring us back into the real world, as it were. And also things like Zentangles and adult colouring in and gardening, they've all become quite trendy for the same reason. They are mindful activities that bring us back, connect us back to our experiences. And I think what better way to be mindful, to be in the present moment, than to do a craft and to make something that is both functional and beautiful. And that is what knitting gives us. Knitting also lends itself so well to gift giving, and so it encourages compassion and consideration for others, which is great for other people, but is also brilliant for your own mental health. So if I can use this channel to reach some people who need something like knitting in their lives, something to help them feel joy, to feel connected, and to also feel for other people, then it's worth it. So by subscribing, as hopefully some of you have, you're making it that much easier for someone who needs this sort of thing in their lives to find it. And so just again, I just wanted to thank you very much and to say that you are very appreciated. So my second reason for making this video was to give you a little update on my life. Because it's going to affect what you see on my channel and what you read on my blog. As you know, I have a 2-year-old daughter. She'll be 2.5 next month. Can't believe it. But I'm very pleased to announce that my husband and I are expecting our second baby, due in August. And we're really excited, and everyone's doing really well. So, yes. As you may have noticed, I don't share any details about my family on my blog or my YouTube channel. I don't share photos, don't share their names. And even on my personal social media, I don't put pictures of my daughter there either. So I won't be sharing too much with you, but I will let you know when the baby has arrived. And in honor of my baby, I'm planning for this channel to do a knit along series. So that's interesting for me. I've never actually participated in a knit along myself. But I'm planning to make my baby a patchwork blanket, which I have started to design already. So I thought, why not post a tutorial on here every week and we can have a bit of a knit along. So I'm not sure exactly when that will start. I'm still designing the blanket, and I have a few more videos planned to go up before we start the blanket. But if you have any ideas, let me know. I'm thinking neutral colours. I've bought the yarn already, and a mixture of intarsia or picture knitting and just interesting textured stitch patterns. So if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below. My third reason for making this video was to update you some more on my channel and on this blog. So by the way, I know this is a long video, so thank you so much for those of you who have continued to watch. I'm really enjoying posting quick tutorials like the baby hats that I've been posting, and especially I want to keep continuing making patterns that are easy enough for beginners to do, because sometimes knitting can be really boring when you first start out, and I want to get people over that boring stage so they can make lots of fun and exciting things. So for that reason, I've decided to write a book. I've started slowly, but the book I'm planning to write is on baby accessories for newborn photo shoots, and aiming for easier patterns so that beginners or at least newer knitters can make them as well. So I'm really excited. I've started designing patterns and test knitting and things. If you'd like to be updated on the book and when it's going to come out, I will post a link in the description below for a blog post which will have a sign up sheet on it for you. So you can put your email there and I will let you know updates on the book. So my aim is for it to come out in the first half of next year, but who knows with the new baby whether I will be able to do that. So I will keep you updated. In the meantime, on this channel, I'm still planning to post easy tutorials for knitting projects, but please let me know in the comments below if there's anything else knitting related that you might like me to cover. Like, would you like tips or instructions on specific techniques or styles, like intarsia or cabling, maybe one ball projects or knitting on a budget, just let me know in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. Thanks so much again, guys, and if you're new to this channel and you'd like to follow along with my baby blanket tutorials, please remember to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified when I post a new video, and give this video a thumbs up so that other people, if they're looking for this kind of channel, can find it. Bye.